Hello, today we're gonna make a football toy. We need a A4 size paper, a pen, in half. Now we will take this edge, we will line it to the middle, and we will do the same thing on the other side. And now we will take this gun and we will bring it to here. And now we will take this edge and we will line it here. We will unfold it and we will unfold this part. We will flip it. We will open this and we will put this to the down. Like this. And here, we will take this edge, we will line it here, and we will repeat the same step. This one, we will bring it to the up, and we will take this one and we will bring it to here, and this one to the up again. And this, we will fold it back to the down, and we will take this edge, we will line it here, and we will do the same step. Now, we will take the pen, and we will draw a line here and a rectangle. Now we will take the small part. We will just do like this, and this will be our ball. We will place it here. And like this, we will throw it, and that will go in here. So you can play like this at home. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.